there, guys. It's Alice here. I am a doula, a childbirth educator, and I'm here with the Big Wheel of Birth, where we spin and figure out which topic we're going to talk about today. Let's do it. Okay, we are talking about chiropractic. So, chiropractic, where is it? Right here? There it is. So chiropractic care is a service, a professional service that a lot of pregnant families will utilize as they prepare for labor and birth. And you might be asking the question, should I see a chiropractor in pregnancy? And so that's what I would love to talk about today. Now, the benefits, there are some real benefits to seeing a chiropractor during your pregnancy. And one of the first ones is that chiropractors can help with low back pain. So low back pain is something that a lot of pregnant women experience. The additional weight, all up front, pulling on their back, and just having such a different experience with movement when you're pregnant can really put some strain on your lower back. And many people have found that with chiropractic care, they can do an adjustment on the lower back, and that can find some relief from that problem. Now, chiropractors during pregnancy can also help with other issues that might pop up if you're having, say, carpal tunnel. That is a somewhat common problem in pregnancy, and just some additional swellings, either that be from a carpal tunnel or swelling around the rib cage. Different swelling can be helped with a chiropractic adjustment or by seeing a chiropractor. The other thing that chiropractic care can help with is aligning the pelvis for birth. And I'm going to pull my pelvis. If you've watched any of these videos before, you might have seen this handy dandy childbirth education tool, which is my fake pelvis. And the pelvis, it plays such a crucial role in birth because the baby has to descend through the pelvis, and it's a tight fit, and it requires a pelvis that is very flexible and has a lot of movement to it. And chiropractors, when you get adjustments, they can work on adjusting your pelvis and the ligaments around your pelvis and your sacrum and your uterus to help really prepare your pelvis for labor and birth. One other thing that a lot of people will see a chiropractor in pregnancy if they have a baby that is presenting breech. So if we have a baby that is not head down, one of the ways to encourage a baby to turn is through something that the chiropractor can do, which is called the Webster's technique. And Webster's technique is a way to work on the ligaments between the sacrum and the uterus to help open up the room in there and allow the baby to turn. And the Webster's technique is something that not all chiropractors do on a regular basis. So if you are interested in going to see a chiropractor to help facilitate a breech baby turning to a head down vertex baby, make sure that you can find a chiropractor that is very skilled in this technique. And one of the easy ways is to ask a local childbirth educator or doula if they have any recommendations or know of any chiropractors in the area that are skilled in that technique. So turning a breech baby vertex is another great reason to go to a chiropractor in pregnancy. Now, you might be wondering if any of this is research-based. So the good news is that research does suggest that chiropractic care can shorten the length of labor, which is pretty exciting. It can reduce the likelihood of meconium being in the amniotic fluid. So that's when the baby passes their first bowel movement in the womb. That's called meconium. Research has suggested that it reduces the risk of preterm birth, the use of forceps, and cesarean as well. So chiropractic care is an alternative service that you can go to anytime during pregnancy, and then for that Webster's technique, it's usually about 8 months on when that's done in real purposeful for turning the baby. And I mean, one question you might ask is whether your insurance covers chiropractic care. So it's definitely something to talk to your healthcare provider about, talk to your insurance company about, just to find out if insurance is covered or if you have to pay out of pocket for that service. So something to think about as you are preparing for labor and birth. I definitely think that chiropractic care is underutilized, and that I have seen so many great benefits when clients get chiropractic care on a regular basis. So I think it's something to think about. I would love to hear what you think about chiropractic care in pregnancy, and there's a great place to let me know what you think below the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified next time we spin the wheel of birth. Also, if you haven't jumped into our free course, it is called Birth A to Z, and it's really an organized way to find all of the previous videos of the Big Wheel of Birth. So I will put the link below to that too. Talk to you guys next time.